Choose the correct answer from the given alternatives. Don't forget to write your mark in the comment box. Question number 1. It has been since morning. It has been rained. It has been raining. Or it has been rains since morning. B. It has been raining since morning. Question number 2. She church every Sunday. She go church. She went church. Or she goes church every Sunday. Answer C. She goes church every Sunday. He speak English. Does he speak English? Is he speak English? Or was he speak English? The answer is, does he speak English? Question number 4. My sister not at home yesterday. My sister does not. My sister was not. Or my sister is not at home yesterday. My sister was not at home yesterday. Question number 5. If he comes, I will talk to him. I will talk to him. Or I am talking to him. This is a conditional. If he comes, I will talk to him. Next one. The boy speaks English fluently. The boy speaks English peacefully. Or the boy speaks English strongly. Answer A. The boy speaks English fluently. Moving to the next one. The museum next week. We visited, or we will visit the museum next week. We will visit the museum next week. 8. I would like pizza. Salad for lunch. I would like pizza but salad. I would like pizza no salad. Or I would like pizza or salad for lunch. The third one. I would like pizza or salad for lunch. 9. She gave the book. She gave I the book. Answer B. She gave me the book. Or C. She gave my the book. This one is easy. She gave me the book. Moving to the question 10. Sam is than Dave. Sam is more taller than Dave. Sam taller than Dave. Or Sam is tallest than Dave. B. Sam is taller than Dave. Everest is the mountain in the world. Everest is the highest. Everest is the higher or the most highest. A. Everest is the highest mountain in the world. I here for 5 years. I lived here or I have lived here, or I am living here. Answer B. I have lived here for 5 years. Present perfect. Question 13. He was born Monday. He was born at Monday. He was born in Monday, or he was born on Monday. Preposition of time. C. He was born on Monday. 14. I met him. The airport. I met him at the airport, in the airport, or on the airport. A. I met him at the airport. Next question. Look over there. The boys were fighting, are fighting, or C. will be fighting. Look over there. The boys are fighting. Question 16. This table is made wood. This table is made of wood, made from wood, or made with wood. Answer A. This table is made of wood. Moving to the question 17. Hannah, were you born? Solomon, I was born in 1998. Hannah, when were you born? Where were you born, or which were you born? The answer is A. Hannah, when were you born? 18. He didn't come to office. He was sick. But he was sick because he was sick, or though he was sick. He didn't come to office because he was sick. Question 19. Your mother a nurse. Does your mother a nurse? Do your mother a nurse? Or we can say, is your mother a nurse? Answer C. Is your mother a nurse? Question 20. It is your car. A. Is it? B. Isn't it? Or C. Is it not? This one is simple. It is your car, isn't it? Question 21. If she wrote the letter, she will send it, she would send it, or she would send it. This is a conditional. If she wrote the letter, she would send it. Question 22. The contracted form of they are is there, they are, there. Answer A. The contracted form of they are is there. 23. While I was reading, the light goes off, the light went off, or the light was going off. While I was reading, the light went off. 24. I prefer coffee to tea. I prefer coffee than tea, or I prefer coffee but tea. A. I prefer coffee to tea. Question 25. Water at 100 degrees centigrade. We say water boiled, water is boiling, or water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. The answer is water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. Thanks for watching.